All right, everybody, good morning. It's Miss Dysoner here. We are going to continue practicing three-digit numbers. It's actually our last day of school. Can you believe it? So we are going to do something easy and quick, just so you can enjoy your last day of school. So we are going to represent three-digit numbers like we have been for the last few days by writing the value of each digit and the value of pictorial models. So you have to do 2 steps today, okay? So you're going to see problems that look like this. So it has our pictorial model. Then you're going to write how many hundreds, how many tens, how many ones, which is very similar to expanded form. And then in the last box, you're going to write a number in standard form. So your problems today look just like this. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do a few of them. So we see 1/100. I don't see any tens, so I'm going to put a 0 here. And I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. And I see 109. So I'm going to write that in this box, 109. Okay, so easy today. Okay, and since we've been doing this for a few days, you should be a pro at this. So here's another one. So I see 100 flat, I see 2 tens, and I see 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. Putting the numbers one digit at a time in this expanded form chart helps us make sure that we have all the place values accounted for, especially when there's no tens or no ones. We need to make sure that we have a 0. So this step is important. Soon you won't have to do this step because you'll be so good at it. But this one shows 124. Okay, next one I'm going to show you. So this has 100 flat. It has 1 10 stick and 6 ones. So I see 116 in this picture. This pictorial model shows 116. Okay, so this is really easy. Okay, on your scrap paper, I want you to try this one. Tell me how many hundreds, how many tens, how many ones. So you can write 3 blanks on your paper. On your paper, you just go blank, blank, blank. You can label them H for hundreds, T for tens, and 0 for ones on your paper. And then make sure you have a digit for each place value before you have your final answer. Okay? So write this on your paper and then pause and practice. All right. So you should have 100, 2 tens, whoops, 2 tens, and 2 ones. So your final answer should be 122. All right, here's another one. Pause and practice. Okay, this one may have tricked you, but I hope not. So I see 100 flat. I don't see any 10 rods, so I need to put a 0 here to show that there are 0 tens. And there's only 1 1. So this model shows 101. Okay, that one was a little tricky. So if you got it wrong, it's okay. We're going to practice these today. Okay, here's your next one. Pause and practice. Okay, so I see 100s flat, 1 10 rod, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. So this model shows 118. Okay. All right, last one to practice. Pause and practice. Okay, this one, not too bad. 100, 3 10 sticks, and 0 ones cubes. So this model shows 130. So that's all you have to do today. You're going to see a picture, a pictorial model. You're going to write it in the expanded form chart, and then you're going to write it in the standard form. Okay? If you need help with this, please contact your teacher and go to the live lessons. Okay? Bye, guys. I hope you enjoy your summer.